Okay, just in case you've never cooked bacon before, I'll give you my kitchen hacks for cooking bacon. Slow and low is better than in a hurry fast on a high heat. I also like to cut my bacon in half, so we're cooking up a whole package because it's going to be an awesome salad, but just a regular size, 375 grams of bacon. I cut it in half because it fits in the pan better, and I'm on a medium heat right now. And the other trick is slow and low and flip it a couple of times because you want really crispy bacon, especially for a salad. Nothing yuckier than biting a chunk of soft bacon in the middle of a salad. So I'm going to get this crispy. And one of my other hacks is you cook half of the package at a time, and there's going to be excess oil in this pan. You want to dump that oil out. Do not dump it down the drain. I just use an old empty pickle jar, and you'll care once this is all done. What we want to do is have a plate at the ready also with a piece of paper towel, and then as these are cooked and nice and crispy, you're going to put them on this plate. That helps absorb some of the extra fat, and then you want to just dump the excess oil into that pickle jar, and then you can just throw it out when you're done. I don't recommend leaving it on the counter and baking with it like they used to do back in the day. Oh my God, can you believe it? Anyway, flipping them over a few times while you're cooking them stops them from getting those usually the real bumpy ripples in them that makes it hard to make them crispy all the way through. So slow and low. If you see that you're getting some really big bumples or ripples there, you can just hold it down with a fork for a second, like this one right there. I can see a couple. Just hold it down for a minute. Now we're going to speed the rest of this video so you don't have to watch me cook bacon all day, but just wanted to pop that in there in case you're a first timer at my channel and you've never made bacon in your life. And if you are a first timer at my channel and you want to have some more fun doing some home style cookery with me, please hit that like button and subscribe. It helps me grow my channel so I can keep going and sharing all this fun, delicious food with you all. Okay, you can see that it's almost that perfect crispiness. So be careful not to burn them, of course, hey? But you can see that they're really nice and crispy, crisping up well. So it's time for have that plate at the ready. And you want to just put them out on that paper towel. And it will absorb some of that extra grease, because really we just want the bacon. All right, so that's half of it cooked, and then you can see that there's excess oil in the pan here. If you put the next round of bacon in there, it is going to splat all over the place. Plus, because it's very hot. So we're going to shut off your burner and drain this into your oil jar. Do not pour it down the sink, and then load up with the next batch of bacon. Cook them up, and away you go. You can have them for breakfast, but today we are going to use them in a caramelized pecan, roasted beet, goat cheese, bacon, dill salad with kale. If I didn't already say that. See ya on the cutting table.